Hey everyone, this quick tip is an oldie, but it has to be one of my favorites. It's called the S key. To get it started, simply hit the S key on your keyboard. This will bring up a shortcut dialog right next to your cursor. You can customize your shortcuts with your favorite common commands. This will keep you from hunting down menus and dialogues and keep your focus right where you're working. Now, this next part of the S key is my favorite. After hitting the S key, you can simply start to search a command. Don't remember where the command is? No problem. This can help you quickly access every command across Fusion 360. You can customize your S key by simply typing a command and hovering over to the side to the icon to add it. Alternatively, you can go through the menu dialog, find the command, and click Pin to Shortcuts. The combinations are endless. Make this tool your go-to spot for most common commands. The S key is context aware and has different toolbars whether you're in the sketch or modeling environment. Even better, it even knows when you are in other workspaces. This tool is essential to reduce your time hunting down menu bars and keep you focused on the task at hand. Now that's the quick tip for this week. Until next time.